Hello, this is Erwin from Multisoft Corporation, your MLM solutions provider. Do you want to know how you can make certain fields on your customer registration form optional, which means that your users can either enter or not provide information with respect to these fields, but still the system will allow them to complete the customer registration. If you look at the registration form for your customer, you should be able to see multiple fields that are appearing. Now, some of these fields are set as not required, and because of this, they are hidden on the registration form. Some of these fields are set as required, meaning they are required by the system to be entered in order for you to complete the customer registration. Now, we have another option wherein you can make fields optional. This means that the user has the option whether to enter information or opt not to enter information at this time, but the system would still allow them to complete the customer registration. Now, in order to set those fields as optional, what we do is we go under the admin menu, company, registration settings, customer registration settings. Now, under customer registration settings, you should be able to see the middle column stated as optional, meaning if the radio button is set under optional, then those fields would become optional, and the users have the option whether to enter information or not to enter information during the actual customer registration. For you to set fields as optional, basically what you just need to do, you just need to click on the radio button in line with the field. For example, address 2 is currently set as required. If you just want to make it optional, so just click on the radio button field, and as you can see, the radio button will be transferred from required to not required. The same thing with the other field. So let us say the URL or website address is not required. You only want it to become optional. So just click on the optional column with the radio button in line with the website address. Once that is updated, next thing you need to do, just click on the save button. And as you can see, you should be able to receive this message which says your changes have been saved by the system. Now, if we go back to our customer registration form, the address 2 and the URL or website address would still be there, but right now they will become optional, meaning if you don't enter information as of this time, the system will still allow you to complete the registration process. Quick test. If I click on complete enrollment, as you can see, the system will now provide error message on those required fields. But for those fields that are marked as optional, you will not see any error message because the system allows you not to enter any information during customer registration. Please share this webinar training with your company admin and support team in order to enhance the services provided to your customers and distributors. We appreciate your feedback and input. Please let us know if this helped and how we can improve supporting you. If you have any questions about this or any other trainings, would like to speak with one of our CSRs or would like to speak with one of our Multisoft account executives, please call us at 239-945-6433 or submit the help desk ticket at helpdesk.marketpowerpro.com. Thank you.